the fruits.
Cut them.
We have cut them.
Now our fruit salad is ready.
The fruit salad is ready.
Rudransh, what is this?
Orange. Apple. Apple.
What color is this?
Green.
Green apple. And what are these?
Guava. Orange.
Cut fruits.
Cut
These
fruit.
are all washed and cut. And what is this? Johan?
Pomegranate.
What is this?
Fruit salad.
Loudly, fruit salad.
Can we all sing? Yes, the fruit salad song. Yes, can we sing?
Watermelon.